But sound effects aren't just letters you slap on a page. They're made up of two main things: text, aka letters that represent the sound, and graphics, which is a visual style that makes you feel the sound. Take this splash, for example. Which one do you think looks best? The third one, right? The wobbly letters in 2 and 3 make you think of blowing bubbles in water, just like the scene. But in version 2, the pure black lettering throws off the visual balance. Version 3 feels just right because it blends into the panel naturally while still getting the point across. That's the power of SFX. They're a huge part of visual storytelling.